Hey lovies, it's me Nisha coming to y'all with a wig review. This wig review is gonna be real quick. It's gonna be real quick because it's a wig that I saw when I was browsing through Sam's Beauty. And I was like, I do not have a bob. Like, I am not a bob girl. I don't really like the way bobs fall on me unless it's like a wavy, like beach tassel type bob. Then it don't really look good on me. It don't really fit me. But I said, you know what you gonna do? It's 2020 and Happy New Year. Happy New Year, y'all. But it's 2020 and we're gonna step up out of our comfort zone. We're gonna do things a little bit different. We're gonna add some color. We're gonna do it. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. That's what I told myself. So I went ahead and bought this wig. Now the wig we're gonna review today is by Freetress Equal, okay? And it is the Lite Wig 002, and it looks like this. I ain't took her out the box. I ain't did nothing to her, but we do have her in the color CMBerry, which is this color here. That's on this model. But as you can see, it's like a cute little bob. And it says easy and go styles for any occasion, curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So we're gonna see. We just gonna go ahead and we opening and see what the bob gonna do for you, girl. Okay. So I haven't taken her out the package. I haven't tried her on or anything. I wanted to do this together. Okay. I never have my scissors. I never have my freaking scissors. And I'd be so scared to pull it because sometimes I think, okay. But I think I'm gonna pop it. So as you can see, she is black and burgundy. She got like a little, you know, a little blunt cut, if you will. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps because they got them way out of the way. Oh, let me show y'all the cap construction. It actually has absolutely no combs in it, just the adjustable straps in the back. And that is really, really good because the girl is really trying to preserve all of her edges, okay? So that's a good thing. But first of all, I'm just gonna go ahead and plop it on my head and then I'll see about the, oh, okay. I didn't need to, that feels good. Ooh, do you see what I mean? Okay, we're gonna turn it some. Oh, she fits really good. She fits really snug. Okay, she okay. She ain't bad. Oh. She is not bad. Like, not even a little bit. And here I was like super duper scared to try her. Okay, she's cute. Or you can bring the bang. We're gonna pull her back some. You can bring the bang down. Okay. She's okay. She's not, she ain't bad. I really bought this wig for work, to be 100% honest. I don't know, it's something, do I have it right? I feel like the back, there we go. Yeah, I had it wrong. One side was like way longer than the other. Like a asymmetrical type bob, which ain't nothing wrong with that either. But she's cute. I really like the cut and the color. I really like how it goes from like burgundy to black at the tips. Like, I think that is so cute. It's a nice length. Super cute. And yeah, I think we did all right with this one. What y'all think? How y'all feel about this bob? I mean, this earring ain't getting along though. But yeah, I think she's cute. I think she's a hit. She's a hit. I really like it. It's not to the point where it's gonna aggravate me or nothing like that. Okay. I think we picked a goodie. I think we picked a goodie. Again, this is Lite Wig 002. And I think I'm gonna have to pick her up in a number 1 because I really, really like it. And these are some of the colors it comes in. Y'all, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling her. And what really made me purchase this wig, even though I was still kind of scared, the young lady who does the videos for wig types, she did the video. I was actually looking at 001, Lite Wig 001, but then I saw 002 and I was like, wait a minute, that little part, that little you know, invisible part swoop thing, we can do. We can do that. So I really, really like this wig. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. If y'all want to see more videos like this, more bobs, I don't know, I'm feeling her. Yes, I'm feeling her. Okay. All right, I'm done, y'all. I am done. Thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see. Like, let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this, more bobs, because I ain't even gonna lie, I'm still a little scared. But I may try 001. Lite Wig 001. Like, I may try it because 002 got me feeling some kind of way, girl. I'm here. I'm here for her. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, lovies.